To set a to-do from a pre-made activity, head to the activity and click on the Set To-Do button. You'll then see that a title and a description is there for you already. You should then select the class you want to set the to-do for. You can add more than one class. You'll see that a task has already been added for you. If you need to add any supporting documents, click the purple Add button. You'll then want to add a set date and time. You can choose a time from the drop-down. You can also type in a specific time you want the to-do to start. You should then choose whether the to-do is visible all the time, only in school hours, or outside of school hours. If you've created an activity that needs repeating, you can choose how long you want it to repeat for. You'll then see that the history tag has already been added as it's a history activity. If you have any other tags you want to add, you can do that. You should then add an objective to your to-do. You should select the year group, then the subject, then the strand. You can then select as many objectives as you want to add to the to-do. If you need to edit anything, click on the blue pencil icon and it will take you back to that area to edit. You can also click the numbers along the top of the to-do to go back to any of the areas within the setting. Once you're happy, click on the Set To-Do button. And then to view the to-do, you'll see that it's under the To-Do tab, under the Active tab. This has been a video on how to create a to-do from a pre-made activity. If you have any questions or you need any further support, please contact support@twosimple.com.